Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Moya with Baddies in the Bag, and y'all know I'm excited today because your girl has hit 6K. Oh my god, it feels so good to get to 6K. I mean, all this hard work that I've been putting in since I started this channel back in March of this year, it feels so great to know that I was able to pass so many milestones. I mean, I'm coming from zero, okay? So, oh my god, it's such an honor, it's such a blessing. I feel great. I want to thank each and every one of you guys who have been supporting me throughout this whole entire journey. And if you are a newcomer, I am so grateful to you. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you guys have been showing me. I am blessed. I can say that over and over again. The Lord is on my path, and the Lord is going to have me succeeding all the time. And I want to say that each and every one of you guys, I can't even name all of y'all because it's the 6K of y'all. It's 6,000 of y'all. I can't name all y'all. Like, no, I can't do that. Thank you guys so much. Oh my god, I'm blessed. This calls for a celebration. This calls for a celebration. I feel like I have to do something to celebrate this. This is such a milestone for me. 6,000. 6,000. Wow. I've been putting in the work though, you know, so it's like I didn't expect any less, but at the same time, oh my god, I'm at 6K. I can't believe it. So 4 more K on the road to 10K, and we're gonna make it happen. We're going to make it happen. We're going to continue to do all that hard work, and we're going to continue to do our best and get ourselves out there. So thank you guys so much for the 6K subscribers, and I'm definitely doing a giveaway. Y'all already know this is why I'm here. We're doing a giveaway today, and this giveaway is going to be, it's gonna be 2 winners. So I'm doing 2 giveaways. I will get into the details, but first, of course, let's get into the positive quote, because we cannot skip this, okay? And this time I'm just feeling today like I want to take something from the middle. Like, the middle is speaking to me today. Look at that. The middle has spoken. Creating a life I love. Oh my god, I feel like every single one of us should be doing this. All of us should be creating a life that we love. Nothing more, nothing less. Just make sure that you are comfortable, you're happy, you are living your best life. Life is too short, baby. Life is too short. Make sure that you guys are living your life to the best of y'all abilities, and make sure you are having fun while doing it, because it's too short. Before I get into the giveaway and how you guys enter, I want to come on here and let y'all know that the Black Friday sale is still on. So on the day of Black Friday, I do have a Black Friday special. It's like a bundle bag. It's a bundle deal, and it is coming up, and I shall be doing a video before Black Friday, which is this Thursday. I shall be doing a video before to show you guys what it is, so you guys could know if y'all want it or not and get ready for the sale. On the day of Black Friday, 12 midnight is when the official Black Friday sale is going to be dropped on the website. So we're still having a sale all the way through the month of November. The sale is still going on, but on Black Friday I might do a little bit more, you know, spice it up a little more for y'all. Probably a little price drop here and there, again, on top of what's already dropped. I'm not sure what I'm going to do as yet, but I know for a fact we're having the Black Friday bundle. If y'all are interested, keep an eye for that video. It is coming. Also, y'all, my daughter's birthday is this Saturday. I'm so excited because we are doing a birthday party for her. We're getting her a little bounce house. We're doing all this exciting stuff. I might vlog it so you guys can see and post it on the channel for you guys. And I was even thinking about doing Vlogmas, but instead of the whole 30 days, I might just do 15 days for Vlogmas. And if you guys don't know what Vlogmas is, it's basically around Christmas time in the month of December. you start to do vlogs. Call it vlogmas because it's, you know, vlogs in Christmas time. And you basically just vlog Christmassy stuff and what you're doing for the holidays. So I think I might do a few of those videos on the channel as well for you guys. I'm going to drop my daughter's registry in the description, and I'm also going to link my Cash App in case y'all want to, you know, all her aunties and uncles over here want to do something for her. I don't know, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna do it just to do it. But I'll put it down in the description below. This Saturday, November 25th, we are celebrating my daughter. She is about to be 2 years old, and I'm super excited for that. So if y'all didn't know, my boyfriend is a boxer, and we went to his boxing match in Tampa this past week, and oh my god, he made me so proud. It was a first round knockout. That boy knocked that boy out. Knocked that boy out totally. I was so proud of him, but at the same time, you know, we were both kind of praying for the other guy that got knocked out, because it's like, oh my god, you knocked him out. Oh wow, is he okay? Like, it was crazy, y'all. But my boyfriend won his fight, and we are excited, and we are feeling super blessed. So anyways, let's get into the giveaway. I'm doing 2 giveaways, and this is how you're going to enter. Now, the first giveaway is going to be 5 pieces, and it's saving challenge bundles. And we're giving away the Girl Power bundle, the 2024 Happy New Year Vellum bundle, the Bingo saving challenge, the 2024 calendar, and a Happy New Year 2-piece bundle as well. So we have 5 items that we are giving away in giveaway number 1, and this is how you enter the giveaway for number 1. I want you guys to go down into the comment section, and I want you to tell me one thing that you are proud of achieving this year. And along with that one thing that you are proud that you have achieved this year, I want you to put 2 words to positively describe yourself. That's how you are going to enter the giveaway for the 5-piece saving challenge. It's a 4-piece saving challenge bundle in a 2024 calendar. So for this giveaway, head on down below and let Auntie Momo know what is one thing that you are proud of that you have achieved this year, and let me know 2 words that you can positively use to describe yourself. That's how you enter that giveaway. Now for the second giveaway, for giveaway number 2, we're giving away the low income saving challenge box. We're giving away a self-care bundle. I don't think you guys know this bundle as yet, because I don't think I've posted the video with some of the new things that I've added to the website as yet, but this is one of them, and I'm giving this away, as well as the little mini pink bag is going to be a part of the giveaway, and the self-care binder challenges, dashboard, and envelopes. Now for the second giveaway, all orders that have been placed on my website from November 1st through November 30th, you guys have automatically entered the giveaway without knowing. Merry Christmas. I know, it's just my gift to you. So anyways, if you have placed an order on the website from the November 1st through November 30th, you have automatically entered into the second giveaway. This giveaway winner will be revealed on November 30th, because of course we have to wait until the end of November to actually, you know, get all the people who are entering for this giveaway. Actually, December 1st, because I might have to give y'all the whole day of November 30th to place an order if you want. You have until November 30th to enter the giveaway for the second giveaway bundle. So the first giveaway, comment below, let me know, yada yada yada. The second giveaway, place an order throughout the month of November, throughout the whole Thanksgiving and Black Friday sale that's going on, to enter into the second giveaway. With that being said, I want to thank y'all again so much for 6K. I am super excited. I don't know what to do with myself. I'm excited. I don't even think I told my boyfriend as yet, but I'm waiting to tell him so we can celebrate this achievement. It's another milestone reached, and I'm super proud. Thank y'all so much for the ongoing support. It is my pleasure to come on here all the time and produce good content for you guys. Until next time, I will see y'all. Go ahead and enter your giveaway. I will see you guys in the next video. Oh my god, I'm so excited.